Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting way to make a ton of money just by making some simple posts on Facebook. A lot of people are making a ton of money just by utilizing Facebook, and you can also make all that money, and that is a huge chunk of money which can be made using Facebook, and that's what I'm going to show you. That's what I'm going to teach you in this video, how you can make that chunk of money just by using Facebook. You don't have to make an extra account. All you need to do is use your Facebook account which you are probably having, and with that Facebook account you can make a ton of money. Not everyone is gonna teach you this type of methods, but I'm here to teach you all these methods absolutely for free. I'm not selling you any of the courses, but still I'm providing you the value which you need to make money online. So now let's get started into the video, and I will show you the entire process of how to make money online using Facebook groups. I'm showing you the right way, because a lot of affiliate gurus are showing you the ways like Facebook groups and all this stuff, but that doesn't work. Okay, I'm gonna show you the right way to work on Facebook and the right way to make posts which really work. Okay, so you are not gonna post something which doesn't work, but you are gonna post something which works really in an awesome manner, and that can make you a ton of money, because a lot of people don't tell you what type of posts you should make. They would just tell you that you should make a post in a Facebook group, but they never tell you what type of posts are working on Facebook. And that's what I'm going to show you. We are going live on Facebook on my account, and I will show you what type of posts you need to make some money from Facebook. Okay, so if you are a beginner, complete beginner who have never tried affiliate marketing, this is one of the best video from which you can learn the stuff and make some money. So now let's get started into the video without wasting any of your time. So we are on my Facebook, and this is my Facebook group. If you want, you can join it. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. Okay, so in Facebook there are a ton of groups which are related to different niches. Okay, so you can promote any of the products of your choice. For example, if you want to promote make money online products, you can promote them. If you want to promote something in the keto niche, you can promote this. So it depends on you in which niche you want to promote the product. The thing is that you need to provide value. Most of the people won't tell you that how you can provide value in a particular niche. Let me show you how you can just promote really simple products and make a good money out of it. Okay, so let's search for keto. Okay, so we are just searching for keto groups, and yeah, so this is a keto group which I have recently joined. And the thing is that most of the people in this keto group are allowed to post their affiliate links. I am revealing this group to you, but the thing is that you don't have to spam on this group. If you are going to spam on this group, you are gonna get kicked out of this group, and I don't want that to happen with you. And that's the reason why I'm showing you the right way to post in this type of thousands of keto groups, as well as you can do this in any niche, no matter whatever niche you are working in. Okay, so now there are complete niches and complete groups for all the different niches of products which you want to promote. Now it's your choice. You want to promote any product of any niche, from Clickbank, from JVZoo, from Warrior Plus, any of your, it's your choice in whichever niche you want to promote. But on Facebook, the weight loss groups, the spirituality niche, the weight loss niche, and the keto diet niche work the best on Facebook, and that's the reason why I suggest you choose any of those three niches. Okay, so for today's video, we are gonna stick to keto diet niche, and this is what you need to post. Okay, and this is how you need to work, because this strategy is really something which works in an awesome manner. Okay, so the first thing is that you just have to see the posts, what type of post people are making on this group. So here you can see that a new group rules pasted. Hey guys, here are. Okay, so now the thing is that here you can see this guy. You can see this guy is providing an entire recipe of this, okay, and of a particular thing. Okay, and what he is or she is doing is that she is also providing this all this value absolutely for free. Why she is doing that? She is doing this so that she can win the trust of the admin of this particular group. Okay, so the thing is that first you have to provide free value in these groups, and only after that you can post your affiliate links, or you are allowed to post your affiliate links. Now let me show you this guy. So this guy has worked a little bit on this. So you can see that he has just found some keto recipe on Google. Okay, and what he has done is that he has created this entire post of how to make this particular keto recipe. Okay, so people are getting a lot of free value just by reading this post. Okay, so you can see that he has provided all this value absolutely for free. Okay, and you can see that he has also given all the directions as well as other stuff. Okay, so this is a really good and detailed post which really works. And after this post he has provided this which is a digistore affiliate link. Okay, so this post goes to digistore products, so that if someone buys something from this particular link, then this guy will get a commission. So this is one of the right ways in which you can post in different Facebook groups and different niches. Okay, most of the people, what they do is that they just spam their links, and that's not the right way to do it. Or you don't have to make small posts, because most of the affiliate gurus will suggest you that make a 2 line or 3 line post, but that's something which doesn't work. Okay, you just have to provide your post with absolute detail. Okay, the more detailed and the more big your post is more likely to get more clicks, and the post is going to end. The more value you provide, your post will look less spammy and more valuable. And the more valuable posts you make on Facebook groups, the more money you get, the more clicks you get on your affiliate products, whichever you are promoting. That's something which is really important. And this is an excellent example for this purpose, because this guy is providing a lot of value in his post. And the thing is that, and that's the reason why this guy is likely going to get a lot of clicks on this affiliate link of his, and he is going to make a good commission just by posting on this different groups. Okay, so you can see some people, so see, they are providing a lot of value, and that's the reason why they are allowed to post their affiliate links over here. This is not an affiliate link. This guy is probably using a landing page. Why he is using a landing page? Because Facebook doesn't ban landing page. You can promote landing page links on Facebook, but if you want to do direct linking, there may be a problem sometime, and that's the reason why you should use a landing page while posting on Facebook groups. Another most important thing is that join public groups. Okay, why you should join more and more public groups? The reason for that is that the more public groups you join, the public groups have less restrictions on their posts as compared to the groups which are private. Okay, that's the reason why public groups work better than the private groups if you are going to promote a lot of affiliate products. Because private groups are especially there are a lot of moderators in private groups, and that's the reason why there is more chance that your posts will not get approved in private groups. But in public groups, there is a huge chance that your posts will get approved. But the thing is that you have to provide free value just like this without posting any affiliate link for the first week. I just post regularly on 6 to 7 groups which you have joined, and you just have to provide free value for the first week, and only after that you can promote something with an affiliate link in that group, and after that you won't get banned. Or else, if you are going to spam your affiliate link from the first day you join the group, then they are definitely gonna kick you out of this groups, and that's something which I don't want to happen to you. I just want you to make money, and that's the reason why I am giving you all the secrets. Not everyone is gonna give you all the secrets. Okay, so as you can see, this all these guys, many of this are providing just free value. Why they are providing this free value? So that they can in future they can post that affiliate links in these groups, and that's something which is really easy and really important. A lot of people just don't understand this, and they just try to spam in different groups which are related to keto, which are related to make money online, as well as many other things. And due to that reason, they aren't able to make any money. And that's the reason why I want to tell you that you should follow these rules. And if you are going to follow this, provide free value in the beginning, and then eventually start promoting your affiliate links, then you are definitely gonna make a ton of money just with Facebook groups. As well as there is another way which you can use, and that is just message people or just befriend the people who are interested in particular types of products. For example, if you are in a keto niche, then you can just see how many members this keto groups have. What you can do is that send them a friend request, and once you send them a friend request, just have some conversation about keto diet with those persons, and in that conversation you can recommend them a particular keto product which you want to promote to them. And that's also something which works really well. The thing is that you need to send at least 20 messages a day. Just befriend 20 people who are in this particular group, or else you can create your own group on Facebook, and you can make posts on these groups and ask people that if they are interested in keto, or if they are interested in this particular niche, then they can join your Facebook group, because you provide a ton of value about that particular niche. That's also something which is possible. And Facebook groups can be a very good strategy, because using these groups you are promoting your own Facebook groups, and as more and more people join your own group, you can promote a ton of products to them, because no one is gonna ban your own post in your own Facebook groups in a particular niche. So that's something which is really awesome, and that's the reason Facebook is also pushing the groups a lot. Okay, so Facebook will really provide you a lot of tools and all this stuff to grow your Facebook groups eventually very quickly. Okay, so that's something which can happen, and it may take 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, but it will really make you a money in a very long run. And that's the thing which I want to tell you, and that's something which you need to understand. You need to figure out everything. You need to figure out some of the things by yourself, like what audience likes, what audience doesn't like, and all that stuff. That's something which you need to figure out. It's a learning curve, it's a learning process, but once you master this, you can make a ton of money. The thing is that you have to be patient, and you can make a ton of money, because I have been working with Facebook groups since a very long time in the spirituality niche, and I am getting a lot of sales just doing this particular stuff using this Facebook groups, and they are a great traffic source to promote all your affiliate products. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Link is there in the description, and message me that if you have a problem regarding make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, you can message me over there. I can reply. I will definitely reply you as soon as possible, or as soon as I see your message. That's something which is really important to me. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.